What's up, guys, and welcome back into another video. I'm Jake with 123 Do It All Country.
I'm Wyatt with 123 Do It All Country. And today we are going to show you something we made in about an hour and a half this morning with some old vlogs we had. So let's go over there.
Yep.
So as you probably don't know, because we haven't done a lot of filming, we both have a Black Knight, the first Black Knight model Gamma pellet rifle, and we always have birds here, really annoying, and we don't have a way to hunt them because we don't have a blind or anything. So we decided this morning with this old supplies we have to come out here, put a little effort in, and make us a bird hunting blind. So let's walk over there and look at it. And as you can probably see it from the front, we'll show the front first. And kind of the side, but that's our blind. And it doesn't look that good from here, so let's come up a little bit closer. And first, right here in this tree, as you can see,
And there's all our woods.
and these birds always hang out in these few trees. But every time we try to come back here to hunt them, they're always scared off. So we are gonna,
every time we come back here to
blind,
hunt them,
as
they're
you
always
probably know.
scared off.
so as you know, we decided to make a blind. And this is what it looks like from the
We added some camouflage to the front to, sorry for the unfocusing, it's alright, it focused back up. We added some camouflage to the front to hopefully turn the birds off and make them think
not
that,
know where they're here. We'll wear
Yeah.
camo, of course, when we're hunting out of it. So
or
let's
we'll try to
around
wear
here
camo.
to the side.
Here's the wood that we used. We had some
Yeah,
leftovers.
just a bunch of that stuff. And right here, guys, we have stuff to keep our hunting gear so it don't get rained on, because this seals.
Hunting gear. It's really big. It may not look that big on camera.
Yeah, it's pretty big. Right here, I'll give you guys a little look real quick.
Yeah, if you strap it right, you could fit a
Like,
big
probably
amount.
two of me could fit in here. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And our pellet rifles will fit in it, ammo, hunting chairs, all that stuff.
Yep, and here's the
So you
inside
guys,
of
let's
it.
come in here real quick.
Okay.
So this is a spool. You can sit on it. This one's kind of our foundation.
Mm-hmm.
You can sit on it. You can use it as a rest to shoot birds. And then this is just some internal support, just like this.
Yeah.
You could use this as a rest. It's probably not the best, but this right here, this spool, sit down right here, three-hand it, or you can get back here and use it as a rest. And most likely, we'll probably rest our rifles on this.
Mm-hmm.
And just anything right here, we'll shoot. As long as it's like
There's a bird
not
flying.
like a robin or anything. Those are actually nice, good birds. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, well,
And
that's a lot, but just I gotta say, we're just gonna show you guys the fort that we made this morning.
yep. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
See ya.